Good morning, sir. I reporting. Big picture and focus already show understanding of the concept of engineered nanomaterials. In this section, the most essential principles and concepts relevant to the study of nanomaterials. Bottom approach includes the miniaturization of materials components up to atomic level with further self-assembly process leading to the formation of nanostructure. Example of miniaturization is the chemical component of the production of small mechanical, optical, and electronic products such as phone and computer. Buckminster Fullerenes, also known as buckable, is a spherical closed cage structure made of 60 sp to carbon. It has a highly symmetrical structure which give it its electronic properties. Buckminster Fullerene is an active molecule used an antioxidant, and example for superconductivity is a charge of material without cutting theory. It allows the electrical energy to dissipate at 2 points. Carbon nanotube are tubes made of carbon with diameter typically measured in nanometers, often referred to single-wall carbon nanotubes. SWCNT is with diameter in the range of a nanometer. Example of carbon. Carbon is a chemical element such as hydrogen, oxygen. In the periodic table, carbon is a very complex element. Dendrimers are highly branched star-shaped macromolecules with nanometer scale dimension. Dendrimers are star-shaped macromolecules. Macromolecules are massive molecules like a protein. They are made up of thousands of covalent bond atoms. Many macromolecules polymerize smaller molecules called nanomers. Engineered nanomaterials, materials with size 1 to 100 nanometers and are intentionally produced for specific product application. Sample of product application such as metal oxide, titanium dioxide, aluminum, stainless steel. Titanium is a corrosion resistant, similar to stainless steel used in aircraft as it makes aircraft exhaust, but titanium corrosion resistant is stronger than stainless steel. Fullerene and allotrope of carbon whose molecule consists of carbon atoms connected by single and double bonds so as to form a fluid or partially closed mesh with fused rings of 5 to 7 atoms. The molecule may be a hollow sphere, ellipsoid, tube, or many other shapes and size. Example of allotrope. Allotrope is diamond and graphite. Diamond and graphite are two allotropes of carbon pure forms of the same element that different in structure. Example of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms form the backbone of many important molecules in your body, including proteins, DNA, RNA, sugar, and past these complex biological molecules sila are also classified as organic molecules, which mean they contain carbon atoms. Graphene, a carbon-based nanomaterial derived from graphite through exploitation. Example of graphite. Graphite are two carbon allotropes, pure forms of the same structure. Different in structure, graphite oxide has a hydraulic layered element of sugar, salt, starch, and cellulose. Nanocomposites are materials that incorporate nano-sized particles into a matrix of standard material. The result of the addition of nanoparticles is a drastic improvement in properties that can include mechanical strength, toughness, and electrical or thermal conductivity. Example of matrix. Matrix is a measure of the grain content and so on. The matrix is a measure so that we know how much grain or other material that nanoparticle or ultrafine is a particle is between 1 and 100 nanometers. Sometimes for a larger particles up to 500 nanometers, or fibers and tubes longer than 100 nanometers in only two directions. Drastic are properties that are to with strength of electrical conductivity. Is the property is how resistant is property of a material that determines how strong the electricity is and how to resistant it is. Thermal conductivity naman can determine the number of rates at which heat is transferred to a unit cross section area of material when a temperature gradient occurs perpendicular to the area. Nanomaterials, materials that have structural components smaller than 1 micrometer in at least one dimension. Example of materials. Materials that have structural components including wood, bamboo, stone, cement, metal, glass, ceramic, tile, engineering, plastic, mixed materials including paint, glass, and also on waterproof. Follow up to micrometer. Micrometer is a screw gauge is a device that includes a calibrated screw that is widely used for accurate measurement of mechanical engineering and machining parts as well as most mechanical trends including other metrological instruments such as dial, burner, and digital caliper. Nanoparticles with at least one dimension smaller than 1 micron and potentially as small as atomic and molecular length scale 0.2 nanometer. Sample of 1 micron. 1 micron equal to 0.001 millimeter, where 1 micron equal to 70 pieces of human hair, depending on the size of the hair diameter. Sample of atomic. Atomic is the smallest unit of the ordinary matter that have mixed up a chemical substance at solid, liquid, gas, and plasma is made up to neutral or ionicide atoms. Atoms are very small, usually around 100 picometer. Across 100 picometers equals 1 meter. Sample of 3. Molecular. Molecular is a group of 2 or more atoms that make up the smallest recognizable unit, which a single particle can be divided and still retrieve the composition and chemical properties of that substance. Many methods of representing the structure of a molecule. Sample of 0.2 nanometer are equivalent to 218 meter. Nanotechnology, the design, synthesis, and application of material and devices whose size and shape have been engineered at the nanoscale, is a measure of structure with length measurement adapted to nanotechnology, commonly referred to as 1.1 nanometers equal to 1 meter. Top-down approach uses larger macroscopic initial structure, which can be externally controlled in processing of nanostructure. Sample of macroscopic is a physical object that can be measured and seen by the eye. Uses large macroscopic initial structure, which can be externally controlled in the processing of nanostructure of severe plastic deformation. That's all. Thank you.